Good morning, children. This early morning session is dedicated to all language lovers, and today we are going to elaborate one topic: impact of technology on modern life. Well, friends, there is no denying the fact that technology has revolutionized our life. It has made us fly with artificial wings. Now, gone are those days when we used to go to the post office to buy a postcard in inland, to write a letter to our beloved ones. When letters came from distant relatives and beloved, their heartbeats could be sent in the form of the golden letters written in the form of postcard and inland. Gone are those days when people used to ride a bullock cart or just travel by the coal engine railway train. Now the life has become faster with the use of technology. Internet has created a revolution in our life. Everything has just become gypsy way. We can enjoy sitting in our own house, booking a railway ticket, an air ticket on our phone, paying any amount of money to purchase anything, sitting just in the house with the cell phone. We have really been enjoying the gift of science and technology, with the internet becoming accessible to every common man. The villages are now equipped with the computer center where the panchayat people are working hard, and they're linking their products and doing marketing with the help of computers. So internet and cyber world is creating a wonder to all of us in a very nice way. It is creating a nightmare overnight, making the modern people live a life with artificial feathers flying high, and making, like, we can say that the we can hardly see a cyclist riding on the road. The cyclists have graduated to bike riders, and the bike riders have been graduated to the car owners, and the car owners have got the possession of all the brands of car. So as the economy is also running fast with this pace of development, people are choices are also changing day by day. But this all nightmare can turn into and can degenerate into a hideous nightmare within seconds, and that is bound to happen because of the misuse of technology. When that technology becomes the essence of, or it comes in the hands of or reaches the evil minds, the technology is being misused, and that stoked the cinders of greed and avarice. When technology reaches the evil mind, it becomes fatal, it becomes disastrous. You see, take an example of cyber crime. These days, cyber crime is increasing day by day. The terrorists have been using, stenography, a kind of coded message they have been sending through computerized, machines, from one place to another place, linking their activities to the other terrorist abroad, and thus making their, plan successful. So, at one hand, technology is making us, modern and equipped with all the resources and making our life easier, comfortable, and accessible. On the other hand, technology is also becoming a threat if it reaches the evil minds, particularly the greedy and avarice people whose only purpose is to create destruction. Therefore, this nightmare can turn into seconds into the hideous, you know, into the hideous nightmare, and therefore we have to be very careful, particularly the IT sector, the government, information technology, Ministry of Information Technology must look into the growing cyber crime and impose certain conditions on the use of technology, particularly the information technology, by the miscreants. There must be some monitoring by certain, organization. The government must depute certain responsible, departments to look into the misuse of technology, and punishment, penalties, and even death sentence should be given to those who are using technology to destroy this beautiful world. So I believe that it is the work of the government as well as the people to be aware of the misuse of technology and to caution the people not to use the technology for any destructive purposes. This can only be possible when there is an awareness among the people, particularly the urban people are the victims of cyber crime. Their hard earned money is being withdrawn by the miscreants, the gang of miscreants who have been using these duplicating information from their bank account and withdrawing the money, and such crimes have often been reported time and again. But the government has to be very vigilant, particularly the bank staff have to be very very vigilant, and the device which has been set to stop this crime has to be accessible to common man. And there must be certain rules and regulations that if the cyber technology is misused by anyone, a punishment like death sentence must be granted to the miscreant, the culprit, and non-bailable warrant must be issued to these people. At one hand, we are just talking about how we can use technology safely for the betterment of the society. On the other hand, we are also making it three-dimensional, that the technology has revolutionized the health sector with the access to a wide range of modern tools of diagnostic field like CT scan, MRI, CT coronary, MR coronary, ultrasound scanning, color, Doppler, and so on. This is going a long way to diagnose the medical cases, particularly the diseases, and make the people or facilitate the people with the quick result and diagnosis so as the treatment can be better. So now at one hand we are using the technology and making this world a digital world, creating a revolution in our life, making and facilitating everything at hand, and be making the world a nightmare. On the other hand, we have to be cautious, and we have to be cautious against the misuse of technology. Particularly, the youth must be made aware that these, net internet should be used for a limited purpose, not in a wide range of work, and the youth should not be allowed to sit before the laptop and desktop and do work on the sites which are not advisable for them. So it is also the role of the parents and the teachers to look into the activities on net, and particularly providing the children all awareness that where we can really use the technology for getting information and for using it for educational purpose. At the same time, we have to make sure that the technology must not be hired and misused by the miscreants or the cyber criminals who have the only purpose of destruction, nothing else. The sending of the stenography, the coded messages to the other parts of the terrorist, and leaking out the information about our defense secrets is going to be a threat to our country. And therefore we have to be very vigilant and very cautious while using technology. No doubt we can ensure the safety of using internet anytime by following certain rules and regulation, but at the same time the government has to be responsible and accountable for any sort of misuse of technology, and a death sentence must be granted to all those miscreants who are creating cybercrime and using technology for destroying this beautiful world. And that is what is my opinion about misuse of technology and impact of technology on our day-to-day life. Thank you. Have a nice day.